Welcome to this tutorial on how to navigate through investing.com. Actually, I recommend this app, but for the sake of those that are asking questions, they can navigate. Is asking for pro version. You can use it freely. If you have registered and you have come down to the home page, this is how it's going to look like. Since it is an international app, you are likely to see all the foreign shares, but don't bother. This is what you are going to do. You can see, look at here. Look at this. Look at this home. Look at this home. They have their usefulness. But since we want to look at shares, we are going to navigate to shares. So you can scroll to the left. This is shares. You click on shares. Yes, you want to look at shares. So when you get to shares, you want to trade Nigerian shares. So just make sure you type. Like for example, now let me type Japan Gold. You can see since most of these things are even in my watch list, they have already popped up. Can you see now? So should be in case your own is not in watch list, you can search. This is how to do it. Just like Cadbury, let's search for Cadbury. You can see this is Cadbury, and when it bring up any of the shares you want to buy, just click on it. It will load to the chart directly. So let us allow it to load. You can see this is how it's going to be. Can you see now? Yes. So and if you open a shares, you need to check the information. You scroll down. So these are the key statistics you can glance through. So I don't want to say much on this. Just come down. If you want to see more to that shares, you can click see more. So you can easily look at this. What is the market capitalization? What is the daily range? 52 weeks range. You can see. And here, look at it. Look at it. This is the time frame that I mentioned the other time. The first one is 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, 5 years. So if you want to see those charts, you can easily click on any of it. So let's say we want to check out 1 week now. It's going to load 1 week. Can you see now? If it is 1 month, it's going to load 1 month. Don't forget, one candlestick represents 1 month. And if it is daily, one candlestick represents daily. And for those people who want to analyze the market, you might not be able to analyze this market like this. This is what you are going to do. Look at this. Look at this small two arrows. That is where you are going to click. When you click it, it's going to change your phone to the landscape and load the chart. And from there, it's going to enter trading view chart. That is how we normally do it. It's going to load the interface per se, so you have to allow it to load, and it's going to be more feasible for you to interpret. And seeing it like this is already in 15 minutes. So you can see currently is in 15 minutes. This is 1 month. This is 1 day. So this is 1 hour, 30 minutes, 5 minutes. But we are going to look at daily. We normally use daily to analyze. So you change it to daily. Can you see now? You change it to daily. And this is how you analyze it. So this is how it's going to bring you to the interface. So easily you can navigate. So the higher low that we have been saying, you can easily analyze the market on your own. Hope I'm communicating. If you are just joining this class, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, or drop a comment on which area you think we need to talk about. And this is the present candle for today. Today being 23, so this is the candle. Yes, that is the candle. The candle open at this. You can look down, you will see the date 23. The candle open at 70 naira 75 kobo. Look at it here, 70 naira 75 kobo. It has rallied to 74 naira before, and it has made low to 70 naira 75 kobo, and presently yes, 71 naira 50 kobo. I think this is interpreting the last week chart. So this is how it is. So this is how to navigate through investing.com. And one thing you can still use it for, yes, that I did not mention. So if you're in the chart like this, go back to the Uh, so go back to the market. So if you have seen, I told you to have favorite stocks. Like now look at this Tesla. This is Tesla. You can see this is Tesla. And if you look at it, you will see a kind of star in front of it. What that is telling you is that you should add it to your watch list. So if I want to add that Tesla inclusion to my watch list, I'll just click this star. And you see now, it's going to add it to my watch list. That is stock that I want to be watching. That is the meaning. And if you come down here, look at this. There is a watch list here. Can you see that watch list? If I just open this investing.com and I click the watch list, it's going to bring me to the shares that I'm monitoring. And that is why you can see all these golden, golden star. They are the shares that I'm watching. Each and every time I come to this place, I already know where I'm going to. I want to check their details, so I don't need to be looking around. Can you see now? It's as simple as that. You can always go through other things in case you want to check news. News affects stocks that you are trading, but mostly in investing.com, most of it are foreign news. And don't forget, you can analyze the foreign shares you want to buy. Once you know the condition, you can just go to any of your app to buy your share. The recommended apps you are using, you can just go there and buy it once you know the condition of the chart presently. So if I've covered it and the way you like it, make sure you like this video. If there is one or two things you expect me to have touched that I did not touch, kindly drop the comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you soon.